Okay, hello everyone, hope you're doing okay. We'll get straight into it. So tonight I've got to have a look at this mouse, which is my favourite mouse that I use, had for quite a while, but having an issue with the button. It's still clicking, and I blew some air in it earlier and it's a little bit better, but I think the micro switch in there is on its way out. So I'm going to see if I can get in there, replace the micro switch and see if it feels a bit better. So let's get started. Right, well, that was quite the ordeal. We've got it there now, so we'll pop it under the microscope and have a look at that. Okay, not the sort of switch that I was expecting, and I don't have ones to replace those, so it looks like we're going to be doing just a cleanup. Okay. That's the type of switch there that I was, hang on, that one there was what I was expecting to see over in these places, but no. Alright, block your ears. Okay, so that's not looking too bad. We'll do a clean up of the case. Alright, now we'll see about what we can do with these. So I think what I'm going to do is get some spray I've got. Here we go. Some electrical clean and lube. So give that a little bit of a go. I don't think I really want to spray direct in there, so I'll put a little bit in the tray there, and I'll use this fine little brush that I've got here. I can just get it to go in parts that I want it. Work it a bit, try and get it to feed down in there. Do the other one while I got it open.
A little bit more. Chuck a bit on that while we're in here.
And that's about as exciting as this one's going to get. We'll just put it back together. So I'll wipe off the surface of this just to make sure it's not going anywhere that it shouldn't. But yeah, might even blow it in there a little bit. Make sure it gets right down in there deep. And all good. Alright, put her all back together. Be more simple than the pulling apart, because now we know that there's a screw. Actually, that feels a lot better. Yep. Okay, so we'll give the mouse a try now. Do it from here. Looks perfect. Clicking every time, it feels a lot better. It was starting to just feel a bit funny. No, we're all good. So we'll leave it at that. Hope it gave you a little bit of help, bit of an insight into the insides of a mouse, and something that you can do to try and fix it up a little bit. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.